Most solar companies don't have a lead problem, although a lot strive to focus on leads. Most have a follow-up problem. I've spoken to thousands of solar installers who focus on getting as many leads to their salespeople as possible, and then their salespeople work out of Excel spreadsheets or systems that means they miss opportunities. Let me ask you this. How much money did you spend on lead generation just last year, in the last 12 months? Take 10 to 20% of that number, and that's how much money could be in your back pocket by having a streamlined system that makes sure that every single salesperson in your business stops missing opportunities. My name is Caroline Douthwaite, and this is Taipan Media, and we specialize on building business suites for solar power companies in Australia. What's a business suite? It's like a CRM and steroids that automates your customer journey from lead generation all the way to reviews. How else could you save money with a system like this? Have you ever had to manually enter leads or send or organize a bunch of leads and send them to individual people? How about if you had an automated system, so as soon as a lead was generated, the system read the postcode and sent it to the right person? How much money would that save you every single week? A few hours? 10 hours? 5 hours? How about when a salesperson gets a deal and he wants administration or accounts to check to see if a deposit's put in? Do they have to send an email asking them? Then they have to get that email and read it, and then they have to remember and write it down somewhere? Or would you like a system so the salesperson drags a tile into a column and that automatically sends a task to accounts for them to check on when the deposit is received for a certain customer? And then accounts drags the tile to the next stage and it automatically sends a text message to the salesperson to tell them they've got a sale and the customer's name. Would that save you time? How much money would that save you? I mean, how inefficient can sales be when you got salespeople just calling off their mobiles, calling customers, and then writing down a few scribbly notes? No one knows what's going on. No one knows what's being said. You haven't got any reports on your leads. All you're doing is putting more money into a broken system. It's like going to a well with a bucket full of holes. Like the smart person would stop for 1 minute, bung up the holes, and then carry on to the well. What a lot of business owners tend to do is they carry on using broken systems, saying, I'm too busy, I'm too busy. Well, that is working in your business with an employee mindset. The amount of money that solar power business owners can actually make, if they take a step back, stop being so busy in their business and working on their business, such as hiring staff, keeping staff accountable, lead generation, promoting the business in a solid CRM inside their company that everyone work with. And I'm not talking about task manager or Pipedrive or a CRM that works some part of it. And then you need Zapier to tie it in with MailChimp. And then you need Pipedrive and then Panda Docs. And then you need HubSpot to do all. Like, it's crazy. There's one program that does everything from start to finish, including signing up customers, all automated on your phone. This allows solar companies to run like a supercharged sports car, so they can take on a lot more work. Everyone knows what they're doing, even as much as startup forms, test and commissioning forms. But at the end of the day, it's about how much money your business keeps as profit at the end of the financial year. And using one system that manages the customer journey from end to end, solving all of these little problems, day-to-day problems that you have, like who does a Grid Connect application, who's doing the EWR, who notifies them about EWR, where's your startup procedures going, how are leads managed, who's dealing with what lead. Like, imagine a system that organizes all of these problems in one go for you. It really is night and day. If you want to learn more, go to taipanmedia.com.au/services and learn more about how you could employ your own solar app branded to your business so you can hire staff, easily train them, because all you need to do is do what's in the email that gets sent to them every time a task is allocated to them. So you can hire fast, you can fire fast, and you can make 10, 20, even 30% more in your solar power business. The money that you keep, you spend on your friends and family, and dramatically increase the quality of everyone's lives.